What's poppin', chef? In this video I'll be showing you how I structure Jersey Club tracks. Now in this track I have open here is a Black Clover Opening 7 remix. I did this in FL Studio, as you can see. Now I'll play you the intro and I will get into how I structured it. Now I have the intro, I have the first drop, the second drop, the third drop, the fourth drop, a bridge, the alternative drips, and the fifth drop. Now the intro can be anything. If it's a remix, it can be a chopped up opening from the original sample. In this case, it's a melody I made plus vocal chops from the original sample and some other effects. And I added some chants and a little tape stop. Then I have my first drop. Now the first drop can be anything you want it to be, but the fourth drop usually lasts 8 bars. And you know, those bars can vary depending on what your BPM is, but for this track I have a 4 bar first drop. I mean not 4 bar, 8 bar, and it sounds like this.
Here we go.
Now for the second drop, almost identical to the first drop, but I added some more elements into it.
Here we go.
And that's for the second drop. Now it's also 8 bar, and if you're making a Jersey Club track or any track really, and you want to have a similar format, you don't have to like change it up so dramatically, but it has to be a little bit different than the first drop, because it'll get boring hearing the same thing over and over and over again. So at least change it up a little bit. Now for the third drop, I did do that. I did change it up. And then for the fourth drop, I just added a couple more elements that's to the third drop. Now some people like to add like complete different switch ups and maybe a different type of 808, or add like a instrumental in the background. Do what you feel, but in this track this is how I did it. And the fourth drop was leading into the first bridge I have, and that sounds like this. And then in the second bridge, I added some kicks. It sounds like this. And for the fifth drop, I bring it back to Jersey Club world, and I made like a not a transition, but like a
Here we go.
And for these, I didn't mark these because it's just the third drop and the fourth drop repeated, and it ends off like that. I mean, that's it. That's it for structuring your Jersey Club track. You can keep it simple or you can be more complex, but the overall idea is to have a switch up every 8 bar, and that's it. See you in the next one.